loose steering? Or a clunk when you turn? That noise could wreck your steering system. Most times, it's just a bad tie rod end. Let's fix it the easy way. Loosen the lug nuts, jack up the car, and remove the wheel. Next, break the nut loose and pull the tie rod out. Quick tip, compare old versus new. Make sure they match. Install the new tie rod, tighten it down, and always get an alignment after. That's it! A fast, cheap fix that keeps your car safe and straight. Subscribe for more car repair hacks and save money every time.